Hi guys, this is Trisha here again with another video. So this time it's about this hair that I'm wearing. I ordered it online from a place called DSoar Hair. I came across this hair being talked about on YouTube, and I decided I really wanted some curly hair and I needed to try. Now I ordered on it came really fast. I ordered on March 30th, and that was a Thursday, and by the Monday I had the hair. So the shipping was excellent. This hair is called curly hair weave with curly closure. That's what it's called. And I paid $129.92 for the hair. So I got 3 bundles with a closure. I got the length 14, 16, and 18, and the closure was a 14 inch closure. It came, as I said before, in this box, and it came in the typical plastic bags that they come in with the length. You also get a pair of eyelashes in here, and it's not like the really cheapy looking eyelash. These are kind of like a faux mink lashes. I really like them. They look really nice. So again, I used two and a half packs in this hair. This is what I have left of the hair. So, and this, it's big, and I have all this hair left over. I did a stocking, well, it's a dome cap wig. I made it myself, and it was not that hard. The hair, when I washed the hair, the curls came back so nice. The hair is soft. It did not shed a lot. It did not shed a lot, and we all know curly hair sheds, but it did not shed a lot. The color on the closure is a slight bit different than the color on the hair. I think the color on the closure is about a number 2, and the hair is probably like a 1B, just to give you an idea of what is going on. Now the closure was really thick. I plucked it quite a bit. I think I could probably use more plucking, but I'm still new at this wig game. I'm still new at making wigs and doing all that stuff, so yeah, I'm working on it. But the hair is beautiful. It's pretty long, I think, for curly hair, and for this to be 14, 16, I think this is the 18. Yeah, so this is the 18, and it's past my, probably can't see, it's past down there. So it's quite nice. It's fluffy, but not too fluffy. You can tame it. I have not done much. I just washed the hair, and I put a little bit of the Shea Moisture oil. I put a little bit of that in, and the hair dried like this. I use my finger to kind of fluff it out a little bit, but if you wet it, it will, keep the ringlets kind of a bit tame, so you don't have like big poof hair. But I like this hair. I really love how the color looks on me. I like how the curl looks on me. I like how the wig came out. My closure is actually a center part closure. I wish I had probably gotten like a free, what is it called, like a free part, but I did not. I got a center part because I was planning on wearing it down the middle, but I really don't like it. That's not the look for me when it comes to hair. I just think middle parts don't really suit me much, even though I'm still gonna try and wear it. But yeah guys, that was it. The hair is really nice. I'm gonna wear it for a while. There's coupons online if you to get something off, but other than that, to get from a 14 to an 18 inch 3 packs of hair with a closure for $130 is not bad at all. So yeah, that's my slight review on this hair. I'm gonna wear it a bit so you guys can see after a while of wearing the hair how it's gonna go. Of course, it's gonna wear a lot better because I'm not sleeping in it. I'm gonna take it off but I, based on the wig and whatever and wearing it around, I will come back and let you guys know how it's wearing and what's going on. I do expect shedding a whole lot because it's curly hair, but other than that, that's pretty much fine. So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.